Everyone loves listening to music. Whether we are working or something, jogging, reading, or even cooking, music is something that we can listen to anywhere and anytime. But let me ask you this. When was the last time you got paid to listen to music? I know some of you are like, what? You guys are getting paid? Yes, people are paid to listen to music. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Joyce here, and in this video I'm going to be revealing how you can make money online by simply listening to music. So pay close attention till the end, because if you skip or leave midway, you will miss out on key information on this special way to make money online while listening to music. And if you stay till the end, I will share with you a bonus method that will make you more money. Also, I want to tell you that with what I'll be sharing, you can either make $50 to $200 online. You will be able to do this as a side hustle and have an additional cash flow coming in your life.
Let's do this!
Just imagine waking up, listening to your favorite music, and seeing a notification that says you received money. Amazing, right? So first step is to actually go to paypal.com and create a personal PayPal account if you don't have one already. Because the three websites that I will be sharing with you will be paying you through PayPal. Now guys, like I said, don't just go to the websites that I will be telling you and register without getting the full information, because you will be missing out on key points of what you need to do. So starting with the website number 3 that I will be showing you is Radio Earn. Okay, so all you have to do is just have to sign up for a free account and register yourself, all right? And let me actually tell you how it works. So how it works is you need to actually listen to radio music or music that they will be showing you, and I will show you the dashboard in a few minutes. And they actually pay you via PayPal. And for every 15 minutes that you will be listening to the music that they will be telling you, you will be receiving 0.25 points. So you get points, and you can actually convert these points at the end of the month to get a payout. All right, and if we scroll down, you can actually see the live statistics that says over $200,000 have already been paid. You have over 300 listeners, and you have over 600,000 members all around the world. All right, and let me actually show you the dashboard. So here's how the dashboard looks like. Okay, and to start earning, you just have to go under start earning, and click on listen radio. Here you will be getting the option to listen to Europe music or USA and international music. All right, and when you let's actually click on this, a tab will be open, and you will be able to click on play here. For every 15 minutes, you will be paid 0.25 points, which you actually can convert at the end of the month. Okay, next website is called Cash for Minutes. You're actually going to get paid by a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcast. So all you have to do is click on the sign up button and create your account. You will also have the option to listen to any radio stations that's available at the time. And guys, this website will actually pay you around roughly 8 cents per minute, and payments are actually made through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. That is cryptocurrency, and you can actually redeem your money through Amazon gift cards also. Isn't this awesome? Let me actually know in the comments below what you think about getting paid listening to music. And also, if you're getting value so far in this video, give this video a thumbs up. Now, coming to our number 1 website, which is current.us. This is actually an app that you need to install on your phone or iPhone. And all you need to do is register an account and earn points. These points will further be converted into money, and you are paid via PayPal. And guys, with this app, you are able to earn through various amount of ways, and it's not just by listening to music. You can earn points by charging your phone, playing games, answering survey, and watching ads. And what's best about this app, guys, is you can actually earn $600 per year. All right, and it's not just by listening to music, but also by playing games, charging your phone, and all that. And truth be told, I actually downloaded this app and tried it myself. But let me ask you this question: Is it really profitable for you to make money this way? Well, don't get me wrong. The websites and method I just showed you will surely make you money. But the truth is, you're trading time for money. And truth be told, the money is too little. Because with these, you may be listening to music for months to finally make a good money. And the types of money you are trying, like you might be looking to make, reminds me back in the days where I was looking online for ways to make a living. I watched hundreds of YouTube videos, did surveys, tried to work as a freelancer, but I realized that all I was doing was trading my time for very little money. The reason I was desperate to make money online was because back in 2019, I resigned from my mechanical engineering job because I was fed up to be paid less than the hours I was putting in. People say that slavery has been abolished, but according to me, it hasn't. We're still slaves. We are in debt. We have responsibilities. And the lack of money really hinders and crushes our dream. And what we do is we work like slaves and wait for our paychecks, working for hours at a job we hate, waiting for the weekend to come so we can relax or spend time with our loved ones, and going back to work again when it's Monday. I knew life was not supposed to be like this. And that was the reason I tried so hard to make money online, because I could see many people making money online and living the life that I had always wanted. So my relentless search got me to a video, and that video actually taught me about building an online business for myself. I was really excited and I went all in. And to tell you the truth, that was the best decision I've ever made. I was able to build the right foundation, get myself on the right track, and fast forward to today, I am now a full-time online entrepreneur. This year, I was actually able to travel to other countries for the very first time in my life. You can say that I got the taste of what real freedom is. I traveled to a lot of places, ate delicious food, and my online business was still making me money. Now guys, I don't know where you currently are at in life. You may be working a 9 to 5 job, or you may be planning to retire, or you may be a stay-at-home mom or dad. I don't know, okay? But what I do know is if you're watching this video, it means you are interested in bringing in a change in your life. And let me tell you, starting an online business will massively help you bring in that extra cash flow that will help you maybe buy yourself something nice, or maybe help you travel or eat delicious food, or simply buy your loved ones nice gifts. If this is you, then I actually left a link for you in the description of this video as my #1 recommendation to start an online business. Here, you will see a video that will talk about a challenge that will help you build yourself an online business with the right framework and blueprint. This challenge has not only helped me, but has helped other men and women build their businesses and leave their soul-sucking, boring 9 to 5 jobs. So I hope this video gave you value, and if it did, make sure to actually give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see more videos like this. This is Joe Smith signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.